Collision detection mode is available in offline programming. Change the mode to collision groups mode. Then select the first collision group. Right-click on it and confirm. Select the second group and also confirm. Further components can be added to groups and removed from them. In order for the program to know which collisions it should detect, go to Simulation Settings and the Collision Groups tab, and drag one group to another. The Collision tab contains settings such as pause on collision or collision tolerance. In order for collision to be detected in the simulation, turn on/off collision must be selected in the lower menu.